Hi, let me show you an induction pot from Royal Catering. This particular model has a 9-litre capacity and it's designed to work in any kitchen there is in the world. So first of all, it is compatible with induction ovens, but you can use it on a gas stove, you can use it on electric stove, you can even place it in fire because it is heavy duty. It's made of high-grade stainless steel, so let me just show you a couple of features. First of all, you have a lid that produces a really tight fit. Then you have flat edges that reduce drippings. Of course, you have handles so you can grab it. Just remember, it's all metal, so these handles may get hot, so always use mittens or a kitchen rug. On the base, there is a sandwich construction, which means there's layers of aluminium and steel, so it is a really heavy base that will conduct the heat really well. If you're looking for a pot, you may also need different sizes, so just have a look at the website. There's a whole range of these pots on offer. And if you get one of these, you'll get a 3-year warranty with it, and it will come in a box just like this one. So heavy duty, heavy cardboard, and what is really cool feature, the lid is packed separately in a cardboard. So even when it does move around, it won't rattle, it won't scratch, and so on and so on. So it is really cool. So that's about it. If you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you. I can do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.